blizzard 2010. This is day 34th. You can't even get up the block if you had to.
So,
how is it out, Jen?
it's freezing, but this looks like it's a flat. But that guy is not parked.
Okay, let's see. This is up another block. I mean, there's no way even emergency workers would be able to get up the street. I mean, that's really pretty scary. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening, and there has not been one plow in northern New York. We're supposed to be a fast-paced, moving city here. What's going on? Pretty scary. And these cars, I don't know if they got stuck or what, or there's no spot. They just leave their cars here. Like, so crazy. Hi, Jen.
I just had to take the hair out of my mouth, so then I just had to take off my gloves.
Don't you love the snow?
Not really, but a bit.
Where would you rather be? Alright. You want to walk up a little bit more?
Yep. Sure.
Alright, we're walking in the middle of the street here.
And it doesn't matter because there's no cars. But that's my school right there.
This is crazy. It's like a war zone. There's like not a plow, not an emergency worker. Hope everybody is safe. Is anybody coming behind me?
No.
So.
What?
Are you cold?
No.
It's pretty windy out too.
But
What's today? Today is Monday. The 27th.
I think 25. I think. But
And I don't know, cars are just like parked
like in the middle of the snow.
in the middle of the street.
And you know, there's a person behind you. But there
A person?
No, it's not a person.
This block, even if they had to get through, they wouldn't be able to get through.
Can I walk in a little?
It's not even normal.
And that block, a major.
Yeah, come on, let's walk back.
Mom, move to the side.
Alright, come.
Come on,
Cars are coming.
Yeah, cars are coming.
Alright, let's move.
No, why are we gonna move in here? For like 1 minute? You gonna...
That's crazy.
Cars are coming? Oh my god. Cause my eyes are thirsty.
Alright, don't worry about that. Alright, this person's going a little fast, I think.
She might get stuck in the snow.
Alright, let's walk.
No, can we walk a little bit further?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I think so.
No, where we going? It's crazy, right?
Look, we just go there.
Jen, what are we going to do over there? There's nothing to do over there.
Just video.
Huh?
At least, Ma.
Yeah.
Just,
Jen, what is there to do over there?
no, just video.
Then we're going to walk all the way back.
So, who cares? I like to take a walk in the snow. Just a little bit.
Cars just like
Huh?
in the middle of the street. Alright, Jen, look, now these cars have to get by too, and like we have to move over, so.
Okay, so.
Come on.
No, you
Come
know
on.
what? That car's actually lucky.
It's dangerous because there's only one small thing. How about if a car was coming the other way? Yeah. This person thinks like
It's
I don't
no
know.
snow on
Yeah, they're like there's no snow.